So how about a long FIAT or 636 centimeter camper van with a lounge at the back and maybe one at the front as well? Well, this is the living van. It comes with this rear lounge, storage all around, step up to it, but standing here in the back I can stand upright without any problems. So it's got a higher roof, and also comes with a bed up there, and the lights are now on. So they weren't on when I came in, but anyway, how about that for service? So lounge at there, lounge here. What about some other things? How about a wardrobe in the shower? Right, well, that's arrangeable too. There's the wardrobe that opens like that, and there's the shower down there. It's got a bag in it. Now the advantage of this is that wardrobe has to go somewhere, and the shower is as good a place as any, you know, because you're either getting your stuff out of the wardrobe or you're having a shower. You're probably not multitasking. Now I'm a big believer in multitasking, but not to that extent. Right, where's the toilet? Well, this looks like a good place to try. And there it is, in there. So it's not a huge amount of space for the toilet, but you could, I suppose, leave this door open here as well. I'm trying to demonstrate. Oh, I thought the door might be broken, but it isn't. And that sort of comes out like, you can sort of leave it like that, and you got more room. So that's me in the toilet. And right, what happens if you want to go to sleep? What, in the toilet? No, out there, sorry. So you can sleep here, put the bed down, put the table down, makes a bed, or alternatively, you can use the bed here, and that will also come down and make a bed in here. And indeed, you can even sit at the chair up there, well, just about, with the bed down. Unfortunately, I can't demonstrate the bed coming down because of the trade fair, but if I get the chance some of the time, I'll do so. Here we have 2 burners, sink, nothing particularly unusual about that. Oh, so see, I go in and somebody has to clean up after me. Yeah, well, I'm a bit of a mess, aren't I? So that's quite normal. No, this is the COVID regulations here, so I mean they are quite keen on them, and just as well they are, because if not, we wouldn't have had this trade fair to come to. So when people complain about wearing a mask, as some do, that's the price. No mask, no fair. And talking about that, no mask, how about wearing a gas mask? If all this one here came out, that's your gas cupboard. It's a small gas canister because the heating is via diesel. In any case, there's not a lot of space in there. In fact, I'll just leave that open. So, walk around here. Living van from Dreamer. Particularly good for sitting in the back of and watching the rain. Thanks for watching.